coefficient of friction have three types. One is μs, simply body at rest. The frictional force is called static frictional force. That is denoted by μs. Body slides on the surface. The frictional force is called kinetic friction. The body rolls. Example, wheels of the vehicle. This frictional rolling friction. In the situation here, look here now. μs greater than μk greater than μr. This is experimentally proved. What is the proved experimentally? Static frictional force is more compared to kinetic friction compared to rolling friction. వీల్స్ లో వాడతారు నాన్న బాల్ బేరింగ్స్, చెరలు అంటారు, చిన్న చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి బాల్స్. ఇవి ఎందుకు సార్ అంటే స్లైడింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ని దేనిగా మారుస్తాయి? రోలింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. అంటే వెహికల్ వీల్ స్లైడ్ అయ్యేదాన్ని వెహికల్ వీల్ ఏం చేస్తాయి? ఇవి రోల్. దానివల్ల స్లైడింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ విల్ బి కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ రోలింగ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ద ఫ్రిక్షన్ నాన్న? Friction is decreases. Once again I repeat. Here sliding friction is converted into rolling friction. So friction is decreases, opposing force is decreases, so the vehicle smoothly ride. Okay. What is the use of ball bearings? Ball bearings are used in the vehicles because to convert the sliding friction to rolling friction. That's why here frictional force decreases automatically the riding is very smooth. Okay. Next nana, look here. A small example, very important, very short answer question. Horse pull the cart. Initially feel harder. Starting the motion, feel harder. Why enter? Initially feel harder. This is the question. What is the question? Once again I repeat. Horse pull the cart. ఏదైనా ఒక బండిని కానీ ఏదైనా బాగా వెయిట్ ఉన్న వెహికల్ని కానీ హార్స్ పుల్ చేయాలనుకోండి. ఇనీషియల్లీ ఇట్ ఫీల్ సో మచ్ హార్డ్, ఇట్లా అంటూ ఉంటుంది. వై నానా? బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇనీషియల్లీ ద ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ స్టాటిక్ ఫ్రిక్షన్ నానా. Once the vehicle starts, that will be converted into rolling friction. Simply initially vehicle, that means initially cart is at rest, at that friction is static friction. Once the motion is start, that is converted into rolling friction. According to experiments, which will be more static friction, which will be less rolling friction. That's why once the motion starts, frictional force decreases. That's why horse to pull the cart easily then the motion start. Okay, do you understand? Good. Into rolling friction. Okay. Next one, very important topic nana. Look here. Acceleration of the body. Acceleration of the body on rough horizontal surface. This is the question. Acceleration of the body on rough horizontal surface. This is the rough surface nana. This is the rough surface. Okay. body is placed, Nana. Once again repeat. This is the rough surface, Nana. Here body is placed, Nana. Body is placed on the rough surface, Nana. In the situation, Nana, to determine acceleration. Acceleration రావాలి అంటే we apply force Sriram. This is the external force applied on the body. Yesterday I discussed rough surface create the friction, that is always oppose the external force. Simply this is the frictional force. Here body is in motion. This friction is said to be a kinetic friction because here the body slides. Once again I repeat, this is the applied force, this is the frictional force. Here the body slides, so kinetic friction I write. Again weight always vertically downwards. Okay, body says a action, floor says a opposite reaction. Here floor says a opposite reaction, that is called normal reaction. Here no vertical motion, that's why upward force balances by the downward force. Overall on the horizontal surface, what is the value of normal reaction? mg. On inclined surface, what is the value of normal reaction? mg cos theta. Okay, this is the m value. Here Nana, here body motion starts. Simply pulling force is more compared to backward force. Here once the motion start, applied force is more compared to frictional force. Simply F greater than Fk. We know that net force right always larger force first to right, next to right smaller force. Both are in opposite direction, that's why right here minus. We know that what is the Newton's second law? F net equal to ma equal to right side F, okay, minus Fk. Fk is nothing but the mu k into n. But n value according to equation 1 mg. Okay, according to this situation, what is the formula for acceleration of the body? F minus mu k mg by m. This is the formula for acceleration of the sliding body. Look here, each step ardhamainda nanu. Here Fk write as mu k into n. What is the value of n? Equation 1 mg. This is the acceleration formula of the sliding body on rough horizontal surface. What is the acceleration of the body? Capital F minus mu k into mg by small m. Here small m indicate mass of the body, mu k indicate coefficient of kinetic friction, capital F indicate applied force. Write down all. Itla kuda rayachuna Newton second law. F equal to ma. F minus Fk. What is the a value? F minus Fk by m. This is also formula. Based on data, we use the formula. Very important concept, Nana. Look here. Very important concept. A car moves velocity u. A car moves velocity u. Okay, car moves velocity u. And its engine switch off. Engine switch off within. A car moves with a velocity, initial velocity u. Its engine is switch off. Because of engine off and comes to rest. Because of frictional force. Because of frictional force. Okay, this is the question. Because of frictional force. Okay, look here. In the situation, the first question is to determine the acceleration of the car. This is the first question. Once again, I repeat the question. A car initially moves with velocity u. A engine is switch off. Automatically it comes to rest because of frictional force. Okay? Because of frictional force. What is the acceleration of the car? This can be discussed in this manner. This is the car nana. Initial velocity u. This is rough surface nana. Look here. Here in the situation at A, car engine is switch off. Engine switch off, it comes to rest after some time. It is final velocity is 0 at B. Why here car at rest? Because of frictional force. Here body in motion, this friction is called kinetic friction. Okay? Look here. Nana, here engine is switch off. Here the slide, here car is slide up to here. Here car comes to rest because of opposing force, that is called frictional force. Here only act single force nana. That also act in opposite direction. That's why that is Fk. Here, look here. Overall, ila rayachana. Here, rayindle emundi. Direct ga single force acting. That is kinetic friction. Because the vehicle is in motion. Newton's second law, F equal to ma. Right side minus Fk right as yesterday I discussed mu k into n. Okay, minus mu k into what is the value of n on horizontal surface? N value is mg. Left side ma. Here m cancel. What is the final formula for acceleration of the car? Minus mu k into g. Okay? This minus indicate negative acceleration. Minus is remove. That is called retardation. What is the formula for acceleration of the car annadanukondi? Minus mu k into g. What is the retardation of car annadanukondi? Mu k into g. Ante simple ga minus తీసారు. ఎందుకు సార్ అంటే శ్రీరామ్ here minus indicate negative, retardation also negative. What is the formula for acceleration of the time taken by car comes to rest? Next question is here. Time taken by the car and comes to rest. In the situation, look here nana. This is the body nana. Initial velocity is u at A. Because of engine is switch off, at B its velocity becomes 0 because of friction. Here to here, what time is taken? This is the question. Already according to equation 1, A value is minus mu kg. Here, what is the data? V, U, A, T. Once again I repeat. V, U, A, T. We apply kinematic first equation. V equal to U plus AT. According to this situation, V value is 0, U value is U, A value is minus mu kg, T is T. Here which will be determined? T. That's why minus other side plus mu k into g into T equal to U. Here what is the value of T? What is the value of T? U by mu k into g. This is the formula for time taken by the car comes to rest. Equation number 2. Once final exam, this is changed in momentums now. T equal to, look here, mu whole by mu k mg. Here what happens? M and M cancel. That's why to write here. Here T equal to mass into velocity, momentum, P by mu k into mg. This is the formula for time taken by the car in terms of momentums before comes to rest. What is the formula for time? P by mu k mg. Look here. Distance travelled by body. Distance travelled by body and comes to rest. Distance travelled by the body and comes to rest. Same question. Distance travelled by car finally comes to rest. Okay? Penchuta letters, penchuta serum. Look here. Here now, the size car. Okay, look here now. I'm writing along. Look here. This is the car, Nana. Here, initially car at rest. Sorry. Initial velocity U. Engine is switch off. Finally, car at rest because of frictional force. According to equation 1, A value minus mu k into g. The question is A to B, how much distance travelled by the car before comes to rest? What is the data? V is there, U is there, A is there, S is there. What is the kinematic third equation according to data? V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Okay? In the situation, V value is 0. U value is U. In the situation, A value is minus mu kg. S value is S. Here, minus minus cancel. According to this situation, what is the formula for S? U square by 2 mu kg. This is the formula formula for distance traveled by the body before comes to rest. Aithe nana look here na, all of you very important. Write in terms of momentum. Yes, write as m square u square whole by 2 mu k m square g. Here m square what? Cancel. So write, so in this pattern to write mass into velocity, momentum, mass square velocity square, momentum square by 2 mu k m square g, equation number 5. Today I discuss 5 formulas nana. A car initially velocity u, after the car engine is switch off, that's why car comes to rest. Here acceleration of the car is minus mu k into g. Okay, time taken by the car comes to rest u by mu k g. Distance traveled by the car comes to rest u square by 2 mu k g. These 3 formulas are very useful to solve the problems. All of you look here. Advantages of friction. Okay, what is the advantages? The first question is advantages. Safe walking on the main. అదే గనక ఫ్లోర్ స్మూత్గా ఉందనుకోండి, పర్సన్ ఏమవుతాడు? స్కిడ్ కాకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే ఫ్లోర్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? రఫ్. సింప్లీ సేఫ్ వాకింగ్ ఆన్ ద పర్సన్ బికాజ్ డ్యూ టు ఫ్రిక్షన్. రఫ్ సర్ఫేస్ అయితే ఈజీలీ మూవ్, అదే స్మూత్ సర్ఫేస్ అయితే పర్సన్ ఏమవుతాడు? స్కిడ్. సింప్లీ దిస్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ అడ్వాంటేజ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, టు రైట్ ద పెన్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. మీ ఫింగర్స్కి పెన్కి మధ్య ఏముంటుంది అన్న? ఫ్రిక్షన్. This is the best example of advantages of friction. Safe walking on the person, to write the pen by using pen, what happens to write? Nana, this is also because of friction. Okay? Nana, alane idigondi, idi board. Ikkada edo kottamu nana, nails. Nails are driven into the wall because of friction. Nails are driven into wall because of friction. Okay na? What is the advantages of friction? Safe walking of the person and to write the pen. మనం పెన్తో రాస్తున్నామంటే ఫింగర్స్కి పెన్కి మధ్య ఏముంటుంది? ఫ్రిక్షన్. And again, nails are driven into walls, to the wall because of friction. Mari, what is the disadvantages of friction? What is the disadvantages of friction? Disadvantages of friction. Pedaga rayamannadu kada Sriram, look here. Disadvantages of friction. Disadvantages means, first one, wear and tear of the machinery parts. Wear and tear of machinery parts. The best example is tire and road. Nana, tire and road. Nana, after 2 years, no tire ne cheyali, marcheyali. Road ni KCR garu em cheyali, marcheyali. Wear ante aragatam, tear anna aragatame, because nana here road vehicle tire వేర్ అయితే రోడ్ టేర్, దట్ మీన్స్ రెండు అరిగిపోతాయి నాన్న. ఇలానే కాకుండా పెద్ద పెద్ద మెషినరీ పార్ట్స్ అయినా ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి ఇలా పిస్టన్స్ కొట్టుకుంటూ ఉంటాయి. ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ ఇయర్స్ బోత్ ద మెషినరీ పార్ట్స్ ఆర్ వేర్ అండ్ టేర్ నాన్న. ఇలా ఒకదాని మీద ఒకటి పెట్టామనుకోండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇలా పెట్టామనుకోండి, కొంచెం బాగా ప్రెస్ అయ్యింది మీ మీ హ్యాండ్స్ రెండు, ఇలా 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 చూడండి, మీ హ్యాండ్స్ రెండు ఇలా బాగా ప్రెస్ అయ్యండి, బాగా వెల్ ప్రెస్డ్ అని. ఇన్ దిస్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇలా పెట్టుకోండి, సమ్ హార్డ్నెస్ ఈజ్ క్రియేట్ సింప్లీ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రిక్షన్. ఇలా రబ్ చేస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి, చేయండి, రబ్ చేయండి. యువర్ బోత్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఆర్ రబ్బింగ్ which will be generate heat. Simply look here now. ఇలా రబ్ చేస్తుంటే your mechanical energy will be converted into heat energy because of friction now. Simply mechanical energy will be converted into heat energy. This is the disadvantages of friction. What is the first disadvantage? Wear and tear of the machinery parts. What is the second disadvantages of friction? Second, mechanical energy will be converted into heat energy. These are disadvantages of friction. Okay? Advantages ante sodrayandi. A man walking on the floor, a man to write the pen, and next nails are driven into the walls. Disadvantage ante em cheptaru? Wear and tear of the machinery parts. What is the second disadvantage? Mechanical energy will be converted into heat energy. This is most important topic in the final exam, 4 marks. What is the advantages? What is the disadvantages?